Hello everyone. This is a very simple mindfulness breathing exercise. It's also used in yoga as a meditation tool and as a breath work as part of pranayama. And what it is that we're going to be silently counting in conjunction with our breathing. So I'm going to invite you to count silently on your in-breath to 4, and then on your out-breath to 4. So it'll go like this. As you breathe in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So the first 2, we'll do it together. You're counting silently, internally, and then you just continue at your own pace. If, for example, you feel like you're running out of breath, then just go in, 2, 3. So you're counting to a lower number. And if you feel like you have a lot more breath capacity, then increase your number up to 5. Okay? So allowing your eyes to close, finding your comfortable, dignified, tall sitting posture. And in your own time, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. Continuing silently to yourself. And then you might simply internally say to yourself in on the in-breath and out as you feel the out-breath. And then you might leave the silent naming completely and just feel the rhythm of each wave of your breathing. Notice any thoughts, any feelings. be here, and welcome them. Allow yourself to become curious and to observe the thought that might be there, or any feelings or emotions that may be there. And then, having acknowledged them, you can let them go. Simply coming back to that gentle in and out rhythm of your breath. Allowing yourself to take 3 deeper conscious breaths where we focus on the exhale and release. Gently coming out of it, feeling your toes, your fingers, eventually opening your eyes. Thank you.